Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Globiance Gbex, the ISO 20022 bank. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, guys, do hit the subscribe button as well as the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon if you want to see the channel rolling for years to come. So do check that out as well. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price of GBAX at the time of the recording, guys. So basically, GBAX is up 5.39% for the day. It has gone all the way from 0.70s, I think, 5394 to 70s, 0.70s, 564. Let us look at the 7-day chart. Okay, so it is down 10.19% in the last 7 days. If you look at the monthly chart, it is down. No, I think it is down more than one. Okay, so yeah, it has begun from here, so it is down 1.06%. Basically, it has been in a certain range, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, if you look at the 1 year since October, this was the area that it was basically testing. It came here. This area came back down again. Tried to test out this resistance line over here, and since that time it has come back down and it's trying to test this support range over here. But it is a good support, and I do not think that it will break. But we do not know what will happen, guys, because it is down 40.15%. And if you look at the all-time chart, guys, why do I think that it will not break? Anything can happen in crypto, but guys, this is the September 2022 support, so the bear market lows at this moment, so I do not think that it will break this, but anything can happen in crypto, so do your own due diligence, your own research. If you look at the all-time chart, guys, Globiance is down 73.93%, so in that terms as well, it is undervalued, and the market cap is 21.4 million as well. And as you know, the Globiance GPEX is basically deflationary. So whenever the volume rises in the Globiance exchange and the burns happen, it basically burns the supply. And this is a good very long term hold if you're willing to hold that long, and you're basically patient enough and you believe the project, basically, that yeah, it's the exchange is going to be successful, mass adoption is going to be coming. And the best part about this is that it is a part of the XDC ecosystem as well, involved and associated with XDC. That is one of the main things that basically attracts me towards the Globiance as well. And not just that, guys. Now we're going to be talking about certain other things that also tempts me to look into Globiance as a legit powerhouse and not just a gimmick, a deflationary gimmick, and that sort of thing, guys. Let me share this with you. So this is an old post, although July 24, 23, not that old. I mean, it was published in 2023. But yes, this is from Yahoo Finance. Globiance Pay set to become an ISO 20022 based global bank. So an ISO 20022 bank, basically a ISO 20022. We've talked about ISO 20022 projects, guys. If you do not know, ISO 20022 is basically a messaging standard that is going to replace the traditional standards, and it's going to be implemented fully by the end of 2025. And financial institutions, these big players, are going to be using this messaging standard. And a lot of projects, even the crypto projects that are basically well integrated and are compatible with this messaging standard, are going to be easily integrated into legacy systems. I mean, this does not mean that every project, that I have told you time and again, that it does not mean that every project that is ISO 20022 compatible or integrated is going to be successful. I mean, there can be a really bad project and it can also be ISO 20022 compatible, but this gives it an edge. And a good there are very few projects that might be integrated with the ISO 20022 standards and their tech would be bad. I mean, that is rare. That's a rare case, guys. So yeah, Globiance is one of those that is basically becoming an ISO 20022 based bank. Check this out: Hong Kong, China, July 24, 2023. Globiance Pay banking platform announced it is selling its third round of security token offerings, guys. Awesome. As it aims to become a global bank for digital and fiat assets. Guys, also involved with tokenization of gold. We're going to be talking about that as well. Offering SEPA and SWIFT capable digital asset, multi currency account, and banking services to merchants, retailers, and businesses. So it is involved with merchants, retailers, and businesses. And check out the names: SEPA and SWIFT capable digital assets. Okay, that is awesome. Globiance Pay. Okay, so what is this? Globiance Pay security token investors are now able to take part in an ownership of a global bank and receive a share of its revenue. So basically, guys, this security token offering is that you get the share of a pie of not just the token, the GBEX, but the entire bank, the Globiance Bank in and of itself, guys. That is awesome. I mean, you will have the share of a pie, and like any other stock or share, you will have a share of its revenue. Globiance Pay invites investors to own the bank, basically community-owned ISO 20022 bank. That is cool. I mean, the invitation to share in the ownership of the Globiance Pay bank began with the release of the new Launchpad S feature in early July 2023. It has now successfully completed two rounds. Awesome. Globiance Pay is the new generation of banking. Why is that so? What is this basically, guys? It has those banking services as well, which include worldwide services, including payment services, cards, debit cards, and all of that stuff, and dedicated IBAN accounts. It's basically a bank, guys, and it is a fusion of the bank and an exchange. We've talked about it, catering to the banking requirements of both European and offshore companies. In the future, Globiance Pay will offer a securities trading platform, so you can basically trade securities in it. Security token projects, for example, real estate projects or other projects, guys. So tokenized equity. So we've talked about tokenization a lot. So basically, Globiance is working on that as well. Globiance Pay Bank Generation 4.0 offers multi-currency fiat and crypto accounts such as Euro, GBP, SDG, and all of that. Globiance Pay Bank is a 100% backed bank of the future, meaning it is virtually bank run proof. All deposits are 100% backed all times. So your deposits are backed all the time. It is regulated, it is licensed. Wherever it performs, it is licensed. The same 100% backing is also the case for our stable coins. If they've got various stable coins in the form of Euro, USD, Singapore, and all of that stuff, guys, Japanese yen. Globiance Pay is about to release the new ISO 20022 messaging and real-time gross settlement system. Cool, awesome. The great thing about Globiance Pay is that it is also bringing banking services to the unbanked and small businesses. You guys know that small businesses suffer due to detachment from the global financial order, guys, the global financial structure, and projects like this allows them to be a part of that. So, allowing those who might not otherwise have access the ability to participate in the global market. Irina La Rosa, founder and chairman of Globiance Pay. So Globiance Pay Group is a sister label to Globiance, which has been operating licensed and regulated cryptocurrency exchanges globally since 2018. So an amalgamation of exchange and a bank, which is ISO 20022 compatible. It has strategic partnerships, guys, with the likes of Impel, and it is basically built on top of XDC Network, which is transforming global trade finance. It is ISO 20 well integrated into the ISO 20022 standards. Impel offers a self-paced ISO 20022 financial message demo that allows anyone to create and send transaction requests over the XDC network's mainnet. Awesome. Globiance and is also involved with the tokenization of gold and silver, guys. They offer gold and silver backed tokens with the partnership and collaboration with the Comtech Gold Dubai. It is also another project that is built on top of XDC network, guys. So the tokenization of gold and silver, real world assets. This is awesome, guys. Comtech Gold and Globiance partnership announcement. Globiance, XDC, Comtech Gold. These are the founders, the CEOs. Awesome. Comtech Gold makes gold easy to own and easy to trade. You guys can basically own physical gold digitally. You guys can trade it and all of that stuff, but you will have a digital, basically a physical ownership of that gold as well, guys. That is great. That is awesome. Basically, giving efficiency to the already to the stale traditional markets, guys. Globiance and Comtech Gold are on the XDC Network blockchain 4.0, which utilizes fast, military-grade, secure software. That is awesome, guys. This is yet another post, guys. Congratulations to the winners of today's. So basically, it is they are updating their investors, and to the Globiance enthusiasts and all of the holders, the community. Time and again, they're trying to innovate the exchange as well. Time to celebrate Globiance New Year games. So all of that stuff, guys, that any exchange should do to be creative, to be innovative. Globiance is hiring. So yeah, guys, what do you guys think about Globiance? Do you think that it can be a powerhouse in the banking and exchange sector in crypto, being ISO20022 compatible and having these partnerships built on top of XDC network? What do you guys think about it? If you let me know in the comment box below and the community as well. I would like you guys to have a discussion. I really love when you guys do that. I love reading your comments with each other as well on different projects, guys. So yeah, this was it for the video, guys. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and do hit the notification icon for regular videos as well. And guys, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.